Welcome to the AutoCAD Electrical 2010 Ribbons Unwrapped. In this demonstration I will show you an overview of the AutoCAD Electrical 2010 ribbons and some of the tools that they allow you to use. I'll also show you how to set it back to the AutoCAD Electrical Classic style. So first we have the ribbons up here at the top. Basically this is going to organize your commands into easy to find locations. Home is going to be all of your AutoCAD commands that you would typically have or need access to. As I hover over a command, I'm going to get a tooltip, and if I hold that hover slightly longer, I'm going to get more information. As you can see here with the move command. If I move over to the Projects tab, that's going to be AutoCAD Electrical specific, and that's going to give us access to different project tools and then different tools for the AutoCAD Electrical. Notice that there's a down arrow next to other tools. This is going to allow us to click the down arrow and have access to even more tools. There's a push pin that will allow us to keep that expanded while we work. So for example, if I needed to access 3 or 4 of these tools in a row, I would just hit the push pin instead of hitting the down arrow 3 times. And go over to the schematic tab, and they're broken up into task-based categories. So inserting components, I'm going to be able to access my icon menu, circuit builder, and some of the other tools related to inserting components. There's added components, insert wires and wire numbers, edit wires and wire numbers, and then other tools. One thing to notice is that based off your screen size of AutoCAD, these ribbons or panels are going to resize. Notice how it expanded once I moved my AutoCAD Electrical. Moving on to the Panel tab, you're going to see Insert Component Footprints, Terminal Footprints, Edit Footprints, and then some other tools related to the panels. We have Reports, Import-Export Data, and Conversion tools. I also want to add that there's this down arrow here which allows you to minimize the panel titles. Just select it, it'll minimize it to Tools, Schematic, Panel, Attributes. If you hit it again, you just have the tab titles. Lastly, we'll want to change back to the AutoCAD Electrical Classic. You do this by selecting the workspace at the bottom and selecting AutoCAD Electrical Classic. I'm going to switch back because I prefer the ribbon mode